Hi, how you doing? Are you an architect? A 3D artist? Are you looking to offer your clients a new, immersive experience? Maybe a new way of presenting your project in 3D? Are you looking for new opportunities? Keen to explore the latest technology? Maybe you're even keen to tap into the metaverse. Well, if that's you, welcome to the virtual reality course for Archviz. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to transform your projects that you've already got in Unreal Engine to then present it using virtual reality headsets. The DViz team are here to help you through the whole process. And I can tell you that presenting your project in virtual reality is an amazing experience. Let's take a look at some of the modules we'll be going over in the course. To follow the classes, we'll attach the files of the K-House in Unreal Engine, which is a beautiful architectural project. We've used the inspiration of this house here, and it's been developed with photorealism in mind. It includes interactions too. In the second class, we'll talk to you all about the hardware. Which tools do you need to be aware of? What's available on the market? And we'll make sure that we'll help you make an informed choice so that you can choose the best, most cost-effective headset to purchase. You'll then be able to choose the best tool for you. But don't worry, we'll help you with that choice. In fact, in this course, we've chosen Quest 2, and the entire course was recorded with this device. So, in Module 2, here's where we get our hands dirty. What we're going to focus on here is optimization. We'll learn how we can analyze our scene to make sure it's performing at its best optimal level. We'll talk about how to reduce the triangle count of objects, adjust the project settings to make sure it's just right. So when you experience this in virtual reality, it's performing perfect. In Module 3, we'll start to get into more of the fun in this project. We'll be taking the headset and doing some tests with it. We'll help you to see, maybe for the first time, how virtual reality actually feels and looks. Virtual reality really is a unique and amazing experience. It allows your clients to enter into the experience, to be immersed in the environment. We'll learn how to install other applications that we'll need so we can understand how everything's connected, how we can understand the interface, and use the templates from Unreal Engine to create our virtual experience. We'll also be focusing on the programming. Unreal Engine calls this blueprints, which is a visual way of seeing the scripting. We'll learn how to open the doors, learn how to turn on and off lights, and how to change the color of furniture. In other words, we're going to show you all the interactivity that you'll need for your Archviz experiences. So once we're optimized, once it's configured, we're ready to go. We'll talk then about building the lighting together. We want this to be the most beautiful project we can create. Once we've made it look good, Now we need to know how to navigate in our experience. We want the user to be able to navigate seamlessly in a smooth way, but also to appreciate how realistic the environment is. Then we'll show you how to package the project so then your clients can experience it for themselves on their own device or through their own headset. We'll show you how to get this ready using PCVR, which is basically how to use a headset attached to the computer. Then you can experience the maximum quality. It really is beautiful. We'll also show you an example of how you can get this project ready to use on a device without cables. Yes, without cables, just using the internet. In Module 7, we'll then take it further. We'll show you how you can run your project directly in virtual reality. In other words, in standalone mode, with no computer, no internet, literally like an Android device. Yes, like a mobile game. This will run instantly, directly in the headset. So in this course, you're going to be learning everything. We won't leave anything out. We'll teach you just what you need to know to get your project running from Unreal Engine to present it in virtual reality. We'll also be showing you how to configure buttons and everything so you can make your project unique to you. We'll show you all the good practices. We'll make ourselves available on all of our support channels. In other words, we're here together with you to help you achieve something incredible. The course is also available in Portuguese audio, English audio, and subtitles in Russian, Spanish, and Chinese. So we hope you enjoy the course. We hope it'll be useful to you, and may it help you to take your design experiences and your capabilities to another level. We're here to help you bring your visions to life, make them immersive, and wow your clients. You ready? We are. We'll see you in the first class.